खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Introduction to Data Science, and today's session is feature generation. These are the topics which I have covered in this session: introduction, background, system and methods, in this there are basically 5 methods: feature generation, feature selection, classifier selection and training, classification of best documents, evaluation of conceptual drift. Come to the introduction part. 2004 Text Retrieval Conference, that is TREC Genomics track, was divided into basically 2 main tasks: categorization and ad hoc retrieval. Okay, so the categorization task was composed of a document triad subtask and an annotation subtask to detect the presence of evidence in the document for each of the 3 main gene ontology geocode hierarchies. Now the background is the documented classification is basically a common problem in biomedicine, and in the training a support vector machine, that is SVM, on vectors created from steamed and or stocked document. Word count has proven to be a basic and typically successful approach. Uh, this approach was given by Ia et al. In 2003. However, we believe that the triage problem posed here had several distinctive features that would require modifications to the basic approach. So the first is the number of true positives in both the training and test collection was known to be small, between 6 to 7%. And the second is the utility function chosen as the metric of record was heavily weighted to reward recall and not precision. Now, this was based on the analysis of the current working procedures of the annotators at the Mouse Genome Institute, that is MGI, and an approximation of how they currently value false negative and false positive classification. So the official utility function weights a false negative as 20 times more serious than a false positive. Now come to the systems and methods. We approach the triage problem in 4 stages, basically first generation, feature selection, classifier selection and the training, and finally test document classification. So the first 3 steps were performed using only the training set, and the final step was performed on the test collection to generate the submitted results. As you have seen this in this figure, this is the stepwise approach of test classification. In this training corpus, we basically divided into 3 parts, that is feature generation, feature selection, classifier selection and training. So after generation of features, of course we have to select some features that are useful for the task, and after a selection of features we classify selection, and then we training as per the supervised or unsupervised learning, and after that we come into the phase of test corpus, that is the last thing, we have to classify the documentation. Okay, so here you see this document classification in this test corpus. So this is a stepwise approach to test classification. Now this is all about feature generation, and this is the question for practice. In this, explain the stepwise approach to test classification of feature generation. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.